get into this look, girl, cause what? Did Juvia's Place not do it again? Wahala 2? Hello. Y'all, this palette, like, I thought I was in love with the Wahala 1, but this 2 is doing something to me. And I think it's the blues, like the blues and the purples, like that whole section right there. I'm just like, ah. And some of these colors, like they're duochrome, like this one. Ooh. Ooh. She did not. Chi-Chi. Just keep doing you, boo, because I'm just here for it 110%. Like, give me color, give me dimension, give me vacation, even though I'm stuck here in the winter. I am living, y'all. This is so cute. Okay, I mean, how could you not? I mean, I guess you could, but why would you? But I just wanted to come back and give y'all the final look of the eyes. So let me just give you, you know, some slow-mos. All right, y'all, I done held y'all long enough. I'm gonna get up out of here. I do have to start work in about 20 minutes, so let me, you know, keep this morning pushing. I just want to let you know, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all for staying down with your girl another year with Bree. Got a lot coming for you, got a lot to do. Yeah, I will catch y'all in the next one. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. Anything you want to see, anything you want me to try, as long as it's not too loud, because I will tell you no. But you know, as long as it's regular, we'll do that. And yeah, I hope y'all have a great Monday, and I'll see y'all in the next one.